Hello guys, this is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Guten Morgen, Hubert, Laura, Carol, Sawadee Krab, Om. Hi, Trinette. Here, good morning to you. Are you preparing your breakfast? Okay, yes, and yep, and coming in. All right. Okay, so today I see that today we have a very good trading day. All right, so just get ready for what we are going to trade. All right, and yes, in this session, well, guys, in this session today on the 24th of August 2022, how to live trade forex today in our forex trading plan. Yeah, and we are going to pick up some of the potential currency pairs to sell. Right, so after that in the London, we'll be coming back in the live streaming again to have a live trade with everybody. All right, so do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that in the London session we can discuss the trade, share the trade, and then we are going to enter a trade together. Okay, so to get the profit together as well. All right, so yes, once again, let me go into my chart. Okay, so over here, let's start off with this Aussie CAD. All right, Aussie CAD. Well, Aussie CAD over here. Now let's take a look. Well, how are we going to read this Aussie CAD here? First of all, it's in the bull. So the bull have tested the support. All right, and now it's actually going back. Will there be a chance that it's having a lower resistance to coming back for a selling? Probably. That may have about a 70 pips. But this will be anti-trend trading. All right. So currently, okay, as in my system, we can see from the blue arrow here, anything on the right side, the blue arrow, it will be going for a bull. So the long is going on. Okay, the buy is going on. All right. So at the moment, okay, I will still be looking on the buy side. Okay, I will still be looking on the buy side. All right. So sellers, we can stay away. Okay. Yes, Aussie franc. Let's take a look. Aussie franc, same thing. Aussie franc tentatively, what we are looking at now. Aussie franc. Well, Aussie franc tentatively, it is still pushing through into the bull. So buying is still possible. All right. So next to go Aussie yen. So Aussie yen, I have my pink arrow on the right side here. Yeah, I'm looking out for selling. So if there is a selling opportunity, I will be looking out for selling. So today looks like we are heading down in the bear. All right. So currently I'm on the resistance over here, which I started to run. Now it seems like the support here is actually breaking. It's actually breaking through. So tentatively, it is still in the back. So the next round that I'm looking out is support. Okay, that we should be looking out for. Okay, at this moment. Okay, at this moment, all right, I will be looking into this area of support. Okay, this area of support over here. So currently, selling is still possible. Okay, selling is still possible. So as a whole over here, I will be still looking at the Aussie yen will still have a very good space to sell. It's just a matter of when it will start to sell. All right. So for this Aussie yen, okay, looking at this point here, we shall look at the level. Okay, we shall look at the level at this point, support. Because tentatively, as we can see, it is still going on a higher support until now. Okay, so tentatively, this will be a good indication. Okay, then move this support up here. Okay, and then let's see. Okay, over here. All right, so we still quite a good space to go. Right at this point here. So we have about 20 pips. So 20 pips of space for this Aussie yen. All right. Yeah, Aussie yen. Then probably Aussie yen has already started to syndicate right now. So tentatively, it is still. So I put this Aussie yen into my watch list. Okay. If there's any good chance for us to sell, then later we will sell the Aussie yen. Okay. All right. Okay. Aussie yen. Okay. All right, so hi CK 你好 ，OK，so Aussie Kiwi， Well, let's take a look at Aussie Kiwi. Well, Aussie Kiwi tentatively nothing to take a look at all. So because it's on the buy side. For sellers, we have to stay away. For buyers, it's not a good one to buy because you are actually testing the resistance up there, which I don't see much space for us to continue the buying. Okay, so we can stay away from here until a further better indication. Then we will go for a buy. Okay, all right. For Aussie dollar from now. Okay, as we can see, Aussie dollar. We see that the Aussie dollar tentatively it is still in the bull. The bull is actually has already tested the support for the past 2 days and escalated up, and now we are hitting on the resistance. Correct? We are on the resistance. Yes, this is what I projected. So this is the area that I projected to see. So the resistance is here. Okay, and then probably we need to go further up. Okay, the resistance here, right over here. So it may go further up quite a fair bit. Okay, so tentatively, okay, so buying is possible for Aussie dollar. So no for selling. Okay, all right. So Euro Aussie, let's take a look at Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie, we are still in the bear. Well, the bear has actually break the support and now retesting the support as a resistance to continue the selling. So will that be a good chance for us to sell continuously? Well, I guess currently we are still right on the support. I think we need further observation before we can make a decision. All right. So for Euro Aussie, today it's good to sell. It's good to sell. Okay, it is still good to sell. However, we need to assess this support level first. Okay, before we can start selling. All right. So let's put it aside for further observation. Okay, for EUROCAT, we are in the bear. Yes, we are in the bear. So it's good to sell. So tentatively, we are below this resistance, but the support is also pretty near. All right, the support is pretty near at this point here. So at this point here, from there to here, we have about 30 pips. Yes, we can pay attention. Yeah, look at this. All right. So today it may be a retracement. It may be a retracement day. So currently, we will put this aside for further observation as well. Okay. All right. Next to go, Euro Yen. Euro Yen. Yes, Euro Yen. We are still in the bear. Yes, correct. Like I said yesterday. Okay. For the next few days, I'm going to focus on Euro Yen and Pound Yen. So Euro Yen is still performing very well, and Euro Yen is still moving towards my target. Okay. So tentatively, very straightforward. Okay. This is my target here. So I'm going to shift this up to see is this going to be a support area. Okay, then where is the resistance level? The resistance has no change until today. It is still the same, no change at all. And the support, all right. As for the support, yes, we are now on the support. So let's wait for it to break the support. After that, retest the support area as a resistance. Then we go for a selling. Okay. Right, so tentatively by looking at Euro Yen to the about 73 pips. So that looks very potential. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna put Euro Yen into my watch list. Okay, yeah. Then next to go, Euro Kiwi. Euro Kiwi. Well, Euro Kiwi, we are still in this level of the bull, ready to go for a buy. So to no selling at all. Okay, so have to stay away. All right. So Euro dollar, we are back into the bear. Okay, we are back into the bear. So Euro dollar, we are standing at 099266 around the price. Okay, so sorry, 099504. Okay, so currently we are still below 1:1. So there may be a chance that anytime that it can reverse upwards. So please be very careful. Okay, as for this Euro dollar, okay, let's check where is the resistance. And I will see that the resistance up here. Okay, so there may be a chance that the Euro dollar may escalate up. Okay, to reverse into the 1:1. Okay, so we now currently we have quite a bit. We have quite a bit to go. Okay, so from here to here about 60 or 80. It's about 80 pips. So tentatively, okay, let's put this resistance here because there's one minor one here, which we are going for a test. Okay, let's see if the testing will break the resistance. If this is going to break the resistance, then this will definitely the next high. Okay, but if this is going to hold out, okay, then we will have from the resistance, okay, from the resistance itself, then we will have about 50 pips to go. Okay, so euro dollar, okay, is somewhere here nor there, but then again, we can pay attention to this euro dollar. Okay, all right, next to go, pound Aussie. We are on the support currently, so tentatively on this support we are not going to do anything. Okay, all right, so pound CAD, we are in the bear. So in this bear, all right, are we looking out for any resistance that can help us to sell further down? Yes, I would say that the resistance has no change. Tentatively, it's going back to retest the resistance. So currently, just be patient. Okay, so I'm not going to put this on my list. Okay, so next to go, pound franc. Pound franc is still right, so buyers can take note, sellers stay away. All right. Okay, pound yen. Well, pound yen is in the bear for me. So tentatively looking out for a bear run. We are going to sell the pound yen today, and my targeted area will be here at the first level. All right. So currently, the area. Okay, I'm going to take this away. Right. Okay. So resistance. Okay, so tentatively, I can see that there will be a good chance. Okay, after the support, okay, over here, once it breaks this level of support, okay, if you go down to M5, you can see, all right, M5. Okay, so now stop here, went down here, it went up, and it got stopped here. So that looks like an inverse head and shoulder, but not really one. Okay, not really one. Okay, but it looks like one. Okay, so tentatively it will be good. Okay, it will be good if we're going to break this level and then retest. Then we're going to continue the selling downwards. Okay, all right. So for this, okay, tentatively I think pound yen is good to focus. Well, I'm going to keep selling on the pound yen today once again, right? Because I still see there's about 60 pips to go. Okay, about 60. Right, so taking a look at this part here, I have about 15 to about not 60, sorry, about 47. Okay, so it is still good. Okay, it is still good. All right, so tentatively by looking at this pound yen, will there be any chance? Right, will there be any chance that the pound yen will continue the selling? All right, so yeah, we can pay attention to that later on. Okay. Alright, so for pound kiwi, very straightforward. We are going on the buy. So sellers have to stay away. Buyers can take note about buying pound kiwi. What about pound dollar? Pound dollar, we have completed what my target has been drawn. Okay, over here, I drew this here in and it exceeded my expectation, which is good. So currently, we will be a reversal. Tentatively by looking at this, it's still going on the buy side. Okay, so I will not be touching this. Okay, so alright, for buyers, yes, you can take note. We are still in the bear, but it seems like now it's going on the verge of the turning into a bull. Okay, so yep, you can look out for this. Okay, for buyers, for seller, we have to stay away. Well, okay, for next to go, dollar CAD. Yes, dollar CAD, we are in the we are moving into the transition to become a bull. So currently, okay, no for selling at the moment. Okay, selling is not very ideal. So it can continue for a higher support, and higher support. So it will still continue to go up. Okay, so buyers can take note, but for seller, we have to stay away. Okay. Yep, and for dollar franc very clear cut. Okay, once it goes sell, it goes sell all the way. Once it go buy all the way. So it's very simple to identify the trend, which is a buying trend now, and it is still coming down for selling. No, this is actually coming down for a pullback. Okay, so tentatively, this is not very ideal for us to sell. Okay, so next to go, dollar yen. Well, dollar yen has escalated up a U-turn over here. Then now actually still testing the the highs, but unfortunately it's still remaining low over here. So today in this dollar yen, seems like dollar yen is actually going into a state of yes, selling, correct. Okay, right. So yeah, so this is still in the state of selling, but please take note of dollar yen because dollar has a little bit of not very stable. Okay, and as for dollar, I see that dollar yen has a good chance to sell for about 150 pips. Okay, so this is something that we can take note. All right. Okay, so yep. All right, so I'm gonna put dollar yen into my dollar yen. I've been going into my this list. Okay, so I guess that's good. All right. Hi Joey from Hong Kong. Ah, 你好你好. Okay, I remember you. I think you are the Joey previously was here. Okay, it has been a while. Hi Marco Benz. Will you take a trade today? If there's a chance, all right. If there's a chance, I've just taken pound yen. All right. Okay, let's go with Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin. Bitcoin. We have actually achieved the 28. Okay, which the line that we draw here. Okay, I think this is somewhere here. It has hits on the 28. Then 20,800 over here. All right, and this is something that we can take a look at about buying, but the buying is not very far away. It's not going to be a very huge, humongous move. All right, so this is going to be just a short-term pullback, and probably it will still be. I'm looking at 21.8. Yeah, 21.8. Okay, 21.8. After 21.8, perhaps there may be another slide off. Okay, so this is something that we need to take note. All right. Okay. Muzamil, namaste, Muzamil. Thank you for doing this. Love from India. Thank you very much. I hope to see you later on in the London session. All right, I will go live again. Okay. So let's take a look at the gold. Where I see many people are asking this. All right. So as for gold, currently is retracing upwards from the price of this lowest was 1730, right? 1730. So I'm still looking at 1714, which are selling to this level. So anything for the buying is to me now they are all the pullbacks. Okay, so in general reading here, I will say that currently still looking at selling. Right, I'm still looking at selling of gold to 1714. Okay, 1714. All right. So currently, the key over here that I see from this 1753, that this may be the reversal. Okay, so if you are still on the 1747 for buying, yep, you still left with a few more to go, and before it will start selling. Okay, so I'm still looking out for selling on this gold trading here. All right. Okay, so yes, let's come back here. Okay, pound yen. All right, so yeah, pound yen. Okay, guys, looking at pound yen, I will be looking at this price of 161 837. Okay, 161 837, about 837. Sorry, 837. Let me take a look. 160 837. Yeah, about 837. All right, about 837. So 837 to 847 is around there. Okay, so yep, and still looking out for pound yen to sell today. So pound yen will be my focus for the day. All right, so there will be a good chance of selling again. All right, there will be a good chance of selling again. So yeah, you can take note. Okay, tentatively, if we have a support over here. Okay, as we can see, all right, over here. Before I'm going to end my live session for this session soon. So after that, in the London session, okay, GMT 3 o'clock. All right, okay, EET2 will be 10. I will be back here. All right, London session open. I will be back here. MT4 10 o'clock. Okay, I'll be back here. So just give everyone the head up. Okay, if this is going to break, retest this level. Okay, with a new resistance below, yes, we can sell. we can sell for about a very safe 15 pips to go. Okay, a safe 15. If not, if you are willing to hold, probably if you're going to bypass this level, it's going to go down to the next level of 32. About 22. Sorry, 22. About 22. Okay. All right. So yeah, that's all for now. Okay, let's take a look. What do we have here? Okay. Okay, let's take a look. What do we have here? Right. Okay, Aussie yen, Euro yen, Euro dollar, Pound yen, dollar yen. Okay, so these are the currency to focus to sell. Okay, so that we don't have to pay attention to, so we don't have to focus on so many currency pairs. All right, so I will just focus on all these. Okay, so that we will start to observe all these currency pairs to stay focused, so that we can start selling. All right. Okay, guys, that's all for now. Okay, I shall see you later on in the London session. So do remember to give me a thumbs up for the effort behind the video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can trade together later on in the London session. All right. Thank you very much, guys. See you again. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you in the London session. All right. Thank you so much. See you again.